Ding. Hello everybody and welcome back to another fine day for scrapping. Every day is a fine day for scrapping. Well, there's not much to this, but it is what it is, and it needs to be scrapped. Oh boy, does it need to be scrapped. It needs to be cleaned before I even scrap it. There's one of them here toaster ovens. The shelf's missing already. And it says Black & Decker. And the way these dials turn, and it's not all push button, it must have a couple of years on it.
I was going to ask, was there a cord on it?
No, it didn't even have the cord on it. Somebody already cut that. But I don't see no stickers on it either to help me to know what year it might be. But anyhow, it is what it is. And I don't know where we should start, but we'll take out this since it's right there. I don't know what it holds in. Oop, that was tiny. And now it's in there too far. Get out of there. Ah, dang it. Come on out of there. Alright. Magnet did the trick. Why did I think of that sooner? This one's a little hard to get to there. It's on a little bit of an angle there. There's a piece of plastic's behind it. It's not really the perfect screw for it, but that didn't work yet because this piece is in the way. Let's go over here to the bottom then. See if we can get this one off of there. Yep, it's a coming up off of there. That was a greasy spoon.
It's a greasy meatball.
Yeah. Alright, so that's opening that away, and that's, ooh, look what we got here. Wow, I thought that was plastic. But it's not. It's tin.
Oh.
Steel. That's alright, our tin steel bucket grows constantly. Alright, I see a screw, take it out.
Leave no screw unturned.
That's it. That's my motto. Leave no screw unturned. Then the door fell right off. And it's a nasty door. Oh. Please don't stick on there, magnet. Come on now. Actually a screw right there. And a piece of bread.
Really?
A little piece of bread right there.
Oh,
yeah.
some toaster leavings.
Yeah, toaster leavings, but they need to stay leaving. Come on off of their screw.
Those toaster leavings, are they within the allotted percentage of pollution, you know?
Yeah.
What is it? You're only allowed a certain amount of
Pollution.
Yeah, pollutants, like whatever's not that source material.
Wait a minute, maybe. Yes. Maybe if you hold the knob on the other side, stupid, it would stop spinning in place. Maybe. Alright, this is just too much for that one screw that don't want to come out. So, let's take, I can't put this down anywhere to just make everything nasty.
Oh.
That got that mostly off of there. Feel much better about it now. I'm gonna get grease on everything. Why did I not bypass this fine item? Alright, that's way too much long. One piece of junk that's going in the scrap metal bucket anyhow. Alright, let's go over here and pick up the piece of plastic that fell down. And a little tiny piece of glass off a flat screen TV. Alright, Ah, we're back over here. Alright, there's one. Holy moly. Ah, there's a tiny little screw. I knew I lost one. Boy, that's nasty. Look at that. Look at this toaster leavings. Yep. I had seen its better day there. That's some heavy duty plastic right there too. Let me tell you. I'm sorry. They were heavy duty. Now where are we at? Get this one off of there. I know you can't see it. I guess it would make sense to turn where you could see it all the time, huh? We're taking a couple screws out here on this glass door. Trying to get the handle off. I don't know why really, because the handle could have stayed with the glass and went away at the same time. But there's a piece of plastic a piece of metal on the glass here to hold the door on. Can we get that off without breaking the glass? It doesn't appear that we can. And I don't want to break the glass in my hand. That would probably be less than nice. Well, it sure doesn't want to come off of there. And it's on the glass. Not making me happy. We might end up leaving it.
Happy is not happy.
Yeah, when Papi's not happy,
This is bad.
then it gets pretty crappy.
If you add S in front of crappy, you get scrappy. By the way.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Okay, that piece of glass came off of that piece of metal. So that was nice. Well, that's nice. Black & Decker, nice and dirty. Let's see if we soak it up. Or did that piece of metal come off of there? Ugh. Whose idea was it to take this nasty thing apart? Look at it. Oh my goodness. It don't seem to be getting any better, miss.
Is that the mechanism for the door?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, that side held the glass.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Because you know how our toaster doesn't have that? Ours is broken.
No. But if you say so.
No?
I don't know how.
Yeah. Like, the door is not supposed to just fall like that.
Oh, okay.
It's supposed to be on a
spring or something?
And then when you pull it to a certain level, it stays open. But if not, it's kind of like the oven door, you know?
Do you mean our door is broken and it's not functioning properly?
Yes, it's been like that for a while.
I know, maybe for years.
I didn't say that. I said for a while.
It doesn't work properly, but I do know that since you're saying that it doesn't work properly.
Well, this is just the basement kitchen, right?
Well, what I'm saying is if it's not working properly, does it mean maybe that it requires scrapping?
Ooh, not before we have replacements. Because
Oh.
it's still functioning. It's just the door aspect that...
I know, but I was thinking, wait a minute now, maybe it needs scrapping, and that's what's wrong with it.
I could use some
TLC.
fixing.
Fixing?
Yeah, where's that door
This toaster came with fixings.
thing?
Oh, I don't. The spring part of it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's in here, see?
Okay.
Probably a spring behind it that
I understand now.
makes it work,
Uh-huh.
properly function.
Maybe it's just the spring then.
Yes, could well be
It's just...
just a spring. See this device Yeah.
Aw.
How is it? Oh, it's got contacts.
What kind of contacts?
Probably silver. Trying to see how this piece here
Contact lenses.
works on there. Let's see if I think this piece of metal tab here needs to bend around. And yeah, you're on the wrong side again, dumbass. Man. Can't see it on the camera so well. Okay. There's a spring right there that needs to get unsprung. Ow. Ah, spring. Now that's much easier to handle. Alright, alright, alright. If we do that and that, now we have this in our hand.
What is this?
Some kind of switch, but it has little tiny contacts underneath right there. Tiny, 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 and tiny.
Show it more slowly.
Little teeny contacts right there, silver contacts that these brass pieces were touching. Not much. It was cute enough. Alright, back to cutting these little pieces of steel off of the heat element there. Put some over here. Come on, guys. Oh, wow, they stuck together in the middle there. That's amazing. What in the devil? Oh, there's a little tiny copper motor in there. We'll see in a minute. Something's falling out. Oh, that was the heat element. Nope, that was the piece of metal off the door. Come on now. Why I get so hard? Little tiny piece of steel. Not much of nothing to it, but hope you want to hold it. Every little bit of scrap. That's what took the juice to the heat element. The little heating elements.
Now it's art.
Yeah?
Yeah, modern art.
Modern art. What is that? Ow. There's another piece of... There's another one. There's another one. This one has a little piece of key plastic on it. Da-da-da. I'm forgetting from taking this apart. But for just a moment there, I was forgetting there's more in the room than just me and you. The camera.
Oh.
Folks at home. What are you looking around for, silly? Can't forget
Look,
the
it's a
folks
rooster.
at home. That's a rooster?
Yes. Or something.
So, there was the little door mechanism,
Oh, good. Wait, no.
and oh, good. Wait, no.
This is just a piece of door?
Yeah, I didn't have.
That's not what I want.
I know. I know. That's why I didn't get too excited. Screws out of here. One screwy wee. Another. I have to wash my hands and all my tools when I get done. This is terrible.
Wasn't it a great learning experience?
Yeah, don't pick up no more of these. Cause they're nasty. Gets all over your hands, your tools. Look, I picked up that screwdriver for me and said, here's what you need. knob one. Another knob. Another knob. How are they placed in there? Are they just sitting in there or what? I don't know. This thing's, a lot of it's put together just by bending pieces of metal around after it came through a hole.
Ingenious.
Yeah, eh? It is. Actually.
That's what, you're always complaining about the overuse of screws.
Yeah, well, they didn't overuse them. They didn't bother to use them. They knew how to save. They definitely knew how to save. Save your money. Just spin the metal around. Alright, trying to get all this side off of there. What good it does, I still don't know. I could see a little better. I could see all those tabs. Okay, from there. We're getting down to the nitty gritty. Let's finish it up. Let's see, that one can move up like that. I can see, yay, I can see better. See, that's cut, that's not cut. Some of it's got maybe a pop rivet in it somewhere. I don't know. I don't know. I guess that one piece over there on that top rod is holding things up. See if I can cut it. Making everything all greasy. All the tools is all greasy. Don't put your hand in your mouth. I guess this would make more sense. I keep forgetting to point in the right direction. Here we're just cutting this piece of metal that went into that heat element there off. Now let's see if we can figure out this last little bit of how this is attached. It's a bell.
Yeah. How old is it to have that?
Yeah, I don't know. That was the microwave bell. I mean the toaster bell, yeah. Like a microwave bell. But these pieces here, aluminum. That's aluminum. That's steel. I thought these were aluminum. They were stainless steel, but they looked it. So that means y'all have to come over here and get a different bucket than the other guys were getting it.
It's separated now forever.
I know, eh? Sad. You barking?
Barking sad instead of barking mad.
Okay, what am I doing? Stop daydreaming.
Taking the toaster apart?
Stop daydreaming. I hope this don't take no more than 5 or 6 minutes
What do you mean?
on video.
In total, or?
Yeah, that should be a quick thing, I mean, but it's not, eh?
Are you asking me how long the video is?
Nah.
I would have to say Christopher Columbus.
Come on, get out of there.
+5.
I've had enough now. I'm trying to tear
100.
things apart, but it don't want to be tore apart. Come on now. Jeez. It's like more greasy than working on the car.
And will there be a use to this grease that you find in this element? Tell me, what are you finding that's useful, Pappy?
In here?
Yes.
Nothing.
So you're not even saying that.
Dang use in here. Look at that, that's crazy. How the devil do you get them out? When you're bigger than the hole. Alright. Come on now.
Wow.
It broke pretty easy, huh?
What is that made out of? Hey, what is it made out of?
This is
No, not that.
like porcelain.
Yeah, no, I meant.
This is steel, the wire here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that one hit me in the chin.
Good
These
thing
are
you have
like little
protection.
porcelain dewies to hold the heating element up. Which, I don't know what the heating element is really made out of altogether. But, snap. Oh, only one at a time there, friend. Come on, I mean, this is a lot of nothingness here, and y'all are really making it hard. Well, this Black & Decker thing was put together very well. That's for sure. I mean, yeah, it's because it's older. But there's those two. Take that right off. Look at that right off of there. Now we can make this here behave itself. You don't even have to come off, really, my friend. You can stay right there with that, and you can go right in here with these other nasty greases. That's a box right there that Scrappy has to carry and put in the car. Oh, you agree, huh?
What?
Sound like you was agreeing.
Yes.
Alright, sure, whatever you say there. I don't know what he's talking about, but... Come on up so we can see you a little better, my friend. There you go. So there's the last piece. It's got the controlled stuff still there in place. Because it has a couple of rivets in the back that's holding stuff on there. So, guess I'll have to see how to break them rivets off of there. And that's gonna do it. Look, it's got two little old fucking...
No, two, what?
Two little dewies. Mind your manners.
Trucking.
Yeah.
Two little old trucking.
Look like they've been trucking.
Doohickeys. And four.
Uh-huh. Okay. I think no, that's the bulb. The little red piece.
Mm.
It's just a little red, the light, it's just a little piece of plastic. It's nothing. Nothing. I see one. What one? Two rivets. This other thing's another Dewey thing type. Instead of having a rivet, it's a piece of bent metal stuck in there. Anywho, we about to get out of here. As soon as I can see where that other rivet was hiding out again. Oh my goodness. Well, they don't build them like this anymore, fellas. We can say that. ooey,
No.
ooey, ooey, ooey. I pushed too far and I'm going to have another booey dooey dingbat. Little knuckle cut. I got like 4 little knuckle cuts now. They're starting to add up. Alright, that one came off easy. It just cut me a little bit on that side. Yay! With nice grease though, that just sealed the wound, right?
Yeah. And act as an antibacterial.
All the years of bacon.
Agent.
I mean, not bacon, but you little chicken.
Yeah, it's a little rooster.
Yeah, I meant rooster. I don't know why I said chicken.
Same thing, basically.
Well, no, I don't think so. Yeah, sorry. So you think you're just one of the guys, huh? Metal is in there. Alright, now to figure out what to do with these things. If anything. Guess they can go in there too. Let's just pop the ends off and put them in there, I guess. Why not? And so now we got this with the switches there. I have to take them apart sometime. They probably have a little silver under the contacts. One can hope. Normally they do. Has a little electric motor right there. I think the little electric motor actually ran the plunger to this thing hit the plunger to make it go down and ring the bell. Huh. It's all strange. It's pretty. Oh well. That took forever. And there's some red stuff on the knuckle,
yeah.
like I said.
Okay.
Alright. We'll see y'all later. Time to clean up, wash my hands, and get all good. Bye now.
Oh.